Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well. May 30th, 2024. Going to be doing our intraday chart review. As you can see, a little bit of a sell-off here. Now we're finally recovering just a little bit, but overall, I think the day is going to end a little bearish here. There's about 5 minutes left in the market. Quite a good amount of trades for today. Very slow in the morning session, but picks up later. So let's just get right into it. Yeah, the pre-market session here, you had a nice rally up, break, and do a new extreme and a new high here. You get a first entry, second entry short, and it fails, and you can kind of see this rally up to make its new high, and then it sells off here. And then you do get a first entry, second entry long all the way down here. This is right after market opens, and after you get your break and new low. Maybe you take this trade. This seems right into support. Just seems pretty aggressive to me. I'd rather wait for something else. Also, this is a clearly established trading range. So that being said, after that, we get a nice move down here a little later on, about 40 minutes after the market opens. Get a correction up, sell off, and we kind of get this measured move, get really close to it. Get this double bar matching low here, double bottom. I think the first trade comes right here for today, which is a first entry, second entry short failure. Great signal bar, amazing trade right there. And then a little later on, you do get a nice first entry, second entry long, and I'm sure someone took this and lost. And I think this particular trade was well, and I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I think someone might argue, and they'll probably say, you had your break into extreme by somehow managing this trend channel a little different. I think this is very accurate with the trend channel here. You can clearly see multiple touches. Your break, you're looking for a new high. I think every system just has some losers, because that would be impossible to have 100%. And I think this was just a loser, and it's that simple. Clearly like the second entry long, visual two-legged pullback, good signal bar. Just take your loss and move on. No big deal. After that, kind of get a little bit of a trading range here, but overall you do get, just a little bit later on, you do get two opportunities here, and I'm going to mark this one. You do get a first entry, second entry long. It's an inside bar, but I think it's worth taking because it's only 6 ticks here. And then a little later on, if you just want to wait for something a little bit better, then you get a nice first entry, second entry long, clear, great signal bar closing on slow, great visual two-legged pullback, and you're expecting still moves to go higher as this trend is bullish. Then another one happens here as well, and let me mark this. And then you get a nice first entry, second entry short, and it fails. Double matching bar low, wait for the green bar to close, go with that. Plenty of room up to the highs here. Again, technically by the count, you get a first entry, second entry short, and it fails again. It's an outside bar. I don't think I'd like to enter on this. You're right at the highs here, and yeah, not what I like to see. But this is my trade of the day, and I was a little skeptical by taking this. This was 6 ticks of risk, so technically 7 ticks, and here we go. And just went for 1 point here. I didn't think I had enough room for even 8 ticks, and I was correct in a way. I think I should have just gone for 6 ticks. That's what the ATR at the time called for, and I just scalped out for, quick scalp. Got here late in the day, so it's totally fine, but that was the trade I took for today. That second entry long, it is an inside bar, but low risk. I like it's at the EMA, double matching bar low. I like the context here. First entry, second entry long. And then you technically do get a higher low here, but it's a doji bar, so you can't really take that. You get your break and new high, and then the trend just reverses here. I also think this one, now looking at it, is quite well. This is basically the bear flag strategy, but it's just a great signal bar. You can clearly see its rejection off of the EMA, and I think that's a good signal bar worth taking. We get a little bit of a correction here with this upward move. You get a break, new high at the previous day's low, as it sometimes acts as resistance or support, and it acted as resistance in this case. You get a double top, sells off, gets pretty congested here for a while, but as we go down, you get the most perfect second entry short. First entry, second entry short, beautiful signal bar. That's textbook right there. And then that leads into the closing 1 minute time frame of the day. I don't see anything else to get in here. You do have a double top here, but you're at the end of the day, so you do have to be a little bit careful. But that's pretty much how I saw it for today. Quite a few good trades. That second entry short is definitely the trade of the day. But hopefully you guys did pretty good with your trading for today. A lot better price action. And other than that, we'll be here for Friday, wrap it up on the week. A lot better week so far of trading. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.